So we made this little swing today. We're inspired by another swing that someone had made and posted, and made it out of cypress, 1 inch. Found some old retired line from one of our sailboats to use to hang it up. Put slats in it and little cleats underneath, fastened from underneath with some of our silicone bronze screws. We like slats to keep the weight down, and also water. When it rains, there's not a whole lot of surface for water to sit on. And folks were discussing, making one for somebody and putting it up, how much it would cost. And when you just look at this, you're thinking, well, it doesn't seem like much, but let's talk a minute about what's involved in making it. We've got some power tools. Of course, you could do it all with hand tools, with saws and hand drills, but most people on this sites we're on aren't doing that. So we had a table to cut the width, and we had a little circular saw to cut to length. Then we took our trim router and rounded the edges, sanded everything. Need equipment to mark it and measure it. Here's the second one we're working on, putting it together. So you need drills, need screws, need pilot bits, countersinks. You might need some epoxy or glue for repairs, depending on how you want to assemble it. So when you start thinking about the investment you got there, that shouldn't, and the knowledge you have to put together, that shouldn't all be for free, and then you got to pay for all the parts and everything. So, forgot to mention, also you're going to want to seal it, most likely. Of course, we did use cypress or cedar, but we used some marine grade spar varnish. Need some thinner, need a brush, and some things like that. So there's a few things that go into it if you're thinking about doing it, making money. It's not just a matter of, I had a little scrap piece of wood left over and I put it together. Especially if it's going outside, you want it to last for a little bit. So we're just out having fun, goofing off today. So hope y'all are doing the same. We're going to close everything up. But if you got questions or comments, please post them. That'll do it.